Oh, hello. My name's Evelyn, and I'm here to talk with you about the Raspberry Pi 4B today. Sorry, my face is a little messed up. I'm still recovering from Bell's palsy. It's going to help me to give this talk. Went to Best Buy the other day. If you look in the right part of Best Buy, somewhere near the games and things they've got a kit, and it's called the Pi 4 Starter Pro Kit. Here's the original Best Buy bag. I'm going to unbox it now. And here's the receipt. $99.99 for the Pi 4 4GB starter kit. It's the Starter Pro Kit, not the Starter Pro Kit Max. Didn't really find out what all the differences were. Let me try to open the box now. And to open the box, I need scissors. So we'll try to use the tip of a pen. Well, I do everything right now, so excuse me. Here's the edge of a screwdriver. That would be good enough, I think. There it is. Wow. What a beautiful kit. Okay. Here's the guide to the board. This is the standard output of the Raspberry Pi. This is the header card. Here's README first. Ensure you connect the micro HDMI cable to the main port marked HDMI 0, the port nearest the USB-C power port. Ensure Pi 4 compatible software is used. If you must reprogram that micro SD card with different software or use a different card. So we have this information here. This is the micro SD cable, micro HDMI cable. Here's the heatsink. We're going to put that on in the next video. Here's a, oh, that's the SD card. And it's probably programmed. Here is the power supply, USB-C power supply. Here's the Raspberry Pi 4 case. Very nice case. Here's the wow, I don't know what this is. Some kind of connector, USB-C connector of sorts, an extender. Here's the fan for the case, I guess. Here's the Raspberry Pi 4B computer. Now we have to be careful with things being a little static sensitive. So, let me open the box carefully here. Oh, very exciting. Very smaller than the Raspberry Pi 3B. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, let's get it back in. And finally, here is NOOBS. This card reader is to be used on your PC or Mac. Great, a card reader. And here's the quick start guide. So we just opened the box, and we have a lot of work to do. Thank you.